teach you a lesson on the dance floor. But this song is not a dance. I will tell you a story. Brothers and sisters, this story is about a big man and a small man that made him. Small man says, "Oh big man, in all your greatness, what can I do for you? I beg you, give me a job now. Let me work 80 hours a week to make money, so I can give the same money back to you, big man, when I buy your beautiful products." This is the system. Now to make big man big, now to make small man small. Make himself small man helpless, too weak to carry power. If you know big man better, if you know big man smarter, if you know big man deserves, small man go clean as for right. The king could be politician, big man could be business, control the bank, plenty money. Him offer you credit, will offer you mortgage payment, will make you indentured servant, tell you pay back my money, and it's a border. Big man the corporation, big man the corporation, started by a corporation. Go ask now for unemployment, go now to politician, go buy for your family, go fight for that social service. Hey son, you just business. This is the system. But still, the small man believes in the system. So he says to the big man, what can I sing for you? What can I buy from you? How can I fight for you? Yeah. What can I carry for you, big man? I'll carry your gun. I'll carry your gun. I'll carry your gold, check. Carry your wine. I'll carry your flag, oh, yeah. Nothing is so heavy, yeah. Big man. Hey. The small man is so happy to work for the big man that all he can say is thank you for all that you do for me, for all that you do for me, for all that you do for me. Thank you for truth and justice, freedom, future surveillances, only the rate in Iraq. I beg you, give me the bill, $1 million missing when my child is hungry. You, I make for safer, see from democracy, for your deregulation, regulate yourself.